What it do, everyone? We are here in downtown Disney at the trading post, here for our legacy Passholder reservation.
Star Wars trip.
Yes. And in the email, you were allowed to bring one guest. So we will see who shows up today to be our guest.
Wando.
Yes, Wando, Sarah. Let's see who shows up. But come with us and go check it out to see what they have in store in the store.
Mostly merch. We'll see you guys on today's video.
What it do?
So we are here waiting in line. Well, we're about to wait in line at Star Wars Trading Post. There she is, guys. The store looks very big, very deep. So I wonder if they got any exclusive merch? Anything cool, any props that we need to know about? There's the end of the line right there. Star Wars Trading Post? Here we comes. Lots of photographers, lots of vloggers, and lots of people waiting in line. I see you, look, you're trying to take a picture. Look, I see her, look. Let's go look at her, she's trying to take a picture. Look. See her? She's got her Legacy Passholder sticker with Legacy Passholder preview. Sneaky. So what time's our reservation now?
At 6 right now.
So it's now?
Yeah.
Sarah, where are you? Sarah! She said she's a mile away from Disneyland Drive, so she's gonna be late. The line is crazy long. We thought it was just right there, right next to the Temple of Doom.
Yep.
But it is not. It is way over here in the corner of darkness. Like, we don't want the line to show, so let's put it over here in the corner. You can't even see people in there, man. Look at that. It's so dark in there. It's so dark in there. And look who it is.
Our guest.
Our guest, our +1
Of honor.
the people's champ. The people's.
Hello.
Here you go, Lego store. Well, buy the Legos.
So now we don't have time.
Yeah, we do.
We gotta wait in the school line.
You got time, trust me.
We got time.
Are you sure?
There's
Yeah,
time.
we've only been in line 10 minutes.
If that.
Yeah,
There's time.
15 maybe.
Oh.
There's
a PP and a Kiko Adventure in your future. If you want.
And there are the fails right here in line. Live streaming it up. With the brothers and sister. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! They always fight. Keeping them in line. For now. There's going to be a lot of glitches right now because I am doing the camera. Let's see what happens tonight. So we are third in line. We are next. Can't wait to go in.
Come on, people.
Alright guys, we have entered here. And just to let you know, as soon as you first walk in, please take a number if you're wanting to do a lightsaber or the kyber crystal of any of that kind. We have this new merch going on. Got the flags. Got these hats. Backpack we see. Yeah. That's a nice big jacket.
I know, it looks nice and warm. The backpack's cool too as well.
Resistant patches. Hey, babe, if you want a patch, the patches are right here.
Any new ones?
There's this resistant one.
Ooh. Oh, that one's cool. It's like a leather one, huh?
Uh-huh.
That one's cool.
Same one. This droid shirt I love. I got it from my dad. There's a patch right here. It's buttoned down. Here's the backpack for your droids. Shot glasses, mugs. Droid depot hat. Got some droids here. DJ Rex. Here they are. More units. Ooh. C-3PO. R2-D2. There's Grogu's egg. Here's the child. You guys checking out the chips here? Personality chips? Here are the personality chips. $10 when you buy 3. Regular price $14.99. All you got right here. The mouse droid is here. BB9E once again. But here's the 4 LDM. This droid set is really neat. I like this one personally. That one's dope. And they have new merch. Look at that. Look at this. Look at it. Look at it. She needs it. And look at it. There's a wallet.
Oh, there's a wallet? It's a BB-8 wallet.
Oh, man. Oh, let me see. Let me see. It lights up. It lights up. Oh. Your brother missed it.
Show me.
She broke it already.
Already.
Damn it.
Damn it.
You have to open it.
I did open it. Did y'all not see me open it?
But not earlier. First time you were trying to just bang it up against the window.
Should have. But yeah,
Cool, I like it.
I like it. You should definitely get it. It lights up.
Right? I like what
You
he's...
always find it in the dark. Can't go wrong with that. I know that I lose it in the dark, I'm done for. Then I gotta get up, then I gotta turn on the lights.
but it's so cute. But it's so
You
cute.
only have one Star Wars life to live. You have to get it.
Okay. Jesus, Charlie.
And you get 30% off.
I know. I
Next
get.
time you come, it might not be here.
Right, this is true. That happens.
This is the magic of Disney.
See? Here you go, annual pass holder t-shirt here. Star Wars here on the side. Has the logo right here on the front. Got this shirt right here with all the coaster designs from the cantina. Nothing on the back on that one. Tricked ya. But here's the jersey. Buck Spire jersey. They got one. On the back, Sarah. Thank you for modeling. There you go. There you go. They got a new cup. This is pretty neat. It has a little cork bottom right here. There you go. Oh, for $29.99. Hey, so fluffy.
My brother does it better. I'm sure Fern-E can do it better than I can, but.
One of these days, I want this game. I want the board game. Even if it's just for decor and it's just out. I really don't know how to play it. Here you go. You want some chance cubes? You want a keychain? It opens. Some dice. Some sound boxes. And here you go with the back. When they call your number, you come over here and get your lightsaber. Here are the lightsabers. Here you go. You get your Kyber crystals right over here. Tell them any color you want. They'll be happy to help you. What is this little guy? Oh, there's a little pen right here. Oh, look at this little notebook here. Imperial. That's pretty neat. And for all you lightsabers, here you go. There's your case to get it. And around the corner, they have the sipper, the Patty Frog sipper. Sarah has it in her hand. Let's ask Sarah. Sarah, can you open up the Patty Frog and show the people what's inside, the little froggy?
Has a very nice long string.
Oh, ta-da! Ribbit. Yeah, froggy. And those are all over here. And we got your pins. And mystery sets, lanyards, patches, pins. And if I didn't show you, The PATTI zipper is $23.99. And here you go. We got some clothes here. We got the rose. We got the outfits. We got more of the kyber crystals. We got the clips. The Helcrons. Then around the corner, they have the helmets. And here you go. Here's the new silver Spyro gift card. $104.99. $4.99 for the charge of the card this time, plus $100 minimum charge. Here are the robes. We got some belts here. Got smaller outfits for the kids. You want to be a pilot? Then here you go. Here you go. We got more of the child stuff. We got pillows. We got the plush. Look at the hat. It's a cute little logo they got going on, just the face. Pull over with the cuffs. Attack, snap, attack. Of course the kids get the Better Spirit jerseys like always. They're always so cute. Here's a little logo on the front. New white sweatshirt. And this is this shirt right here. Gray with yellow with the face. The new logo that's going on. Here's a better shot of the new design right here. We got the matching sweats. A little cup. And for all those crazy Croc fans, they got Crocs, plenty of Crocs for the child full of Crocs. And if you want to get some, here's more of the child beanies, sweatshirts, more backpacks, hats, child plushie, shirt, spirit jersey. This is a nice bright light area. We got some toys. These are the cute shirts, this burgundy and this white one. Got an Alliance, Darth Vader shirt. That was pretty neat with the two different faces. The solid mask and the melted mask. And some cups. We got plushies. So many Star Wars plushies. They just go on. And on and on and on. Got some more Imperial cups over here. Some hats. Here we go, we got the jacket.
It seems hot.
It is very thick.
Very thick.
Yes.
It's come with a belt. That would definitely rub on my belly. Get the pens. You think I should get a kyber crystal? You think I got a black one? What do you think?
Yeah, get it.
I'm gonna get one.
We'll hope.
Strong with me.
We'll see what we get.
One.
This bag is really neat.
This bag is cool. It's small, but it's
it's small.
It's a little kid's backpack.
The hat. What is this? Oh, it's a flag.
Oh, here's those.
Yeah, I saw it over there by the lightsaber. It's pretty neat.
Very cool. Juan got this already. Remember when Galaxy's Edge opened up? Juan got this and another one. This is cool. And here's the pen.
Yeah.
You get the pen already? Matching pen. It has a hidden compartment in it for putting kyber crystals or stuff you want to hide. And it comes with a Sith chalice. You can put your boysenberry punch in it.
These are the Imperial droids. Yeah. Kylo Ren.
There's a gold one.
Oh yeah.
Kappa. Commander Peter. We should get these things. Spice up our life. I actually want to come to Valentine's Day. On a stand too.
It's a ATST.
Oh, ATST.
Because it's smaller.
Oh, the AT-ATs are the horsey ones.
What do you want? The first order short range evacuation vehicle.
I'll take this one of these.
Aren't these like $70, $80?
Probably. Just try me.
Yeah, these are the skate pods.
Yeah, from the right.
Yeah, watch, turn it. I think these are like 80 bucks. Yeah, $74.99.
So, I got you an Apple Watch. $186. You can't get me an escape. This is for emergencies, babe. I need to escape sometimes.
Shut up, fool. Oh, they got little statues. You want some house decor? Here you go. There you go.
Sarlacc. And get our own look. Here you go, Sarah. They make great pets. Man, you get this from my cousin, Ruben, man. He's hood. Sith gangsters. Orale. Veteranos. Sarah, why does it have all this? Why does it have to have so much stuff I want?
Because
I know.
you're a true
Star Wars American.
Star Wars lover.
Yes. I'm on all. Look at this. I just want the Han Solo candy bar.
Horrible.
It is protect, snack, attack. Don't eat those. Because he eats soup or he eats those eggs from that one passenger, remember? Mm-hmm. You little. Look what you did, you little jerk. There you are. It's the black saber from the Mandalorian.
Oh, the dark saber.
The dark saber. What did I say, the black saber?
Yeah.
We need it though. We need it.
Kiko.
Okay.
All
D.
yours, buddy.
Where's D? I need D.
D.
I need an adult.
Bernie said he needs it.
So it trumps all?
It's a need, not a want. So
It's the one. I need it, yeah. To protect the family.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Lucia. Appreciate it.
Sarah enjoying her 30%.
And my new bag.
Yeah, Star Wars Galaxy's Trading Post. Another satisfied customer right there. Oh, what's going on with this customer over here? Did you buy enough stuff, miss?
Uh-huh.
She's going merch crazy. Look, there's all this stuff is half of this for Marianne.
I know.
Marianne, we love you. And good morning. Oh, look at this guy right here. He's getting that B-roll. Get that B-roll, bro.
Oh, look, I'm going to show you these shirts.
What shirts?
You got shoes?
Yeah, he's got shoes.
Where'd you get shoes? Oh, is it from the...
Yeah.
We got lucky they fit him exactly. Let me see the shirt.
So there's this one that I missed. Horse welder.
Oh. I don't like the color, but I like the shirt.
There's a darker one.
Oh, woman's one.
Yeah, because that's
So
the guy.
his and hers shirts.
Yeah.
So that, all that tells me is that we're coming back for more stuff. Did you get enough stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, we owe Sarah money. This is cool. Look at the backpack. Look. It's like Galaxy's Edge without the rides and stuff.
I know, right?
Only the merch. All right, well, let's go, dude. Let's go. We've got enough merch. How cool. That's 2 more people out, 2 more people in. But there's still a long line for people to get in. There's still people to get in. Are there going to other people in? There's still 8 minutes
Yeah,
left.
because they already checked in.
8 minutes.
I don't know what time they
Exactly 8 o'clock.
And you see the line?
Yeah.
There's,
So glad that
they're still going to fulfill them, though. They're still going to let them in.
they have to.
They have to, right?
I mean, if they're checked in, I don't see why they wouldn't.
Right.
That'd be kind of...
Okay, so video's over. And just wanted to let you guys know. I'm sure a lot of you guys are curious. What color is it? Let's find out right now real quick. crystal. You unspin them. It's a red one. It's a red Kyber crystal. Yeah, see it? So now we know what color it is. See you guys. Have a good night. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you on the next video.